In this video, find out how to order ahead with the Starbucks app on your iPhone to skip the line and make your coffee runs more convenient, especially while traveling. This video will show the simple steps of customizing your order, selecting a nearby store, and setting up a quick and easy pickup, so your drink is ready exactly when you need it. If you don't have the Starbucks app on your iPhone, it's a good idea to download it, or update to the latest version if you already have it, before planning to order from home or while traveling. Once you're set with the app, you can either log into your existing account or create a new one. If it's your first time ordering through the app, the setup is super simple and lets you create an account during the order process if needed. For fast payments, you can use the scan and pay option, which not only speeds up checkout but also earns you rewards for every dollar you spend at Starbucks. Plus, you'll have access to any current offers or deals that are available, making it easy to save a little while enjoying your favorite treats. To quickly reorder from your history, tap the order history icon in the top right, next to your profile icon. Here, you can select a previous order to reorder as is or customize it a bit. If you're starting fresh, you can tap order on any screen, or just tap the order tab at the bottom. This will let you pick a nearby store and start a new order. When you're traveling and stop at a Starbucks, you might see a barcode posted in the store. Just open your camera, scan the code, and a link will pop up to start an order. Tap the link, open the app, and tap the Order tab. You can browse featured items or tap Menu to check out all the available options. When you go to place an order, the app will ask you to pick a store, so you can check what's available at that location. Some stores require a Starbucks account to order ahead, so it's best to set up an account ahead of time, especially if you're planning to order while traveling. The app will also show each store's closing time, so you can plan accordingly. Once you're on the menu, tap any category to see what's available. Scroll through to browse items, and tap on an item to start your order. You will pick a size and see what is included, and you can adjust those options as needed. For even more customization, tap Customize. Ordering through the app is great for trying out all these customization options that you might not even know about if you were ordering in-store. You can customize your drink with options like milk type, espresso shots, add-ins like chai, extra flavors, sweeteners, foam, toppings, and cup size. Once you're done, tap Done Customizing. Next, tap Add to Order, and the app will ask you to select a store. At this point, you may need to sign in or create an account to complete the order. Tap Join Now if you're signing up for the first time, then follow the prompts to fill in your info and create an account. Once the account is created, you can sign in and continue with your order to check out. Some stores only accept Starbucks cards for payment, so you can load a card using your preferred payment method. Tap Reload and place order to complete the process, and any remaining balance will be added to your Starbucks card for future orders. Plus, ordering through the app lets you earn rewards with each purchase, an extra perk for app users. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We have got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.